There are many products available to choose catalytic converter cleaners, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best catalytic converter cleaners from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. CRC Guaranteed to Pass Emissions Test Formula. Sure, the CRC Guaranteed to Pass Emissions Test Formula marketing formula is a bit of a gimmick, but that doesn't take anything away from the product itself. It does a great job at improving fuel economy, acceleration, and reduces your overall emissions. It utilizes the maximum allowed cleaning chemistry and does a great job doing it. However, you'll need to add this product every 3,000 miles to keep up the results, and it doesn't work with diesel engines. But keeping the limitations in mind, you're not going to find a more effective cleaner on the market. Pros: very effective cleaner, improves fuel economy, acceleration, and reduces emissions. Maximum allowed cleaning chemistry. Double money-back guarantee. Cons: you need to add it every 3,000 miles. It does not work with diesel engines. Number 2. OXICAT Oxygen Sensor and Catalytic Converter Cleaner. If you're looking to save a little extra money on your carb cleaner, the OXICAT Oxygen Sensor and Catalytic Converter Cleaner is a great value. It works with both gas and diesel engines, and has a multi-purpose cleaning design that takes care of everything in your exhaust system. But while this cleaner does a great job at preventing problems, it doesn't do anything to fix them or even hide them during an emissions test. Instead, this is a product to use as a preventative measure. If you're already experiencing problems, this catalytic cleaner won't help. Pros: very affordable option, works with both gas and diesel vehicles. Multi-purpose cleaning design. Does an excellent job at preventing problems. Cons: will not fix or hide problems. Number 3. Cataclean 12007 Complete Engine, Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. If you're willing and able to spend a little more on your catalytic converter cleaner, Cataclean can do everything you could want and more. Not only does it clean out your catalytic converter, but it helps with rough idles, hesitation, power reduction, hard starts, and fuel economy. It's an extremely effective cleaner that works in gas, diesel, flex fuel, and even hybrid vehicles. No matter what you're driving, Cataclean can keep things running smooth. Not only that, but it can help sort out minor problems. Yes, it's a bit more expensive, but it's worth every penny. Pros: improves fuel efficiency. It is a highly effective cleaner. Improves engine performance. Works in gas, diesel, flex fuel, and hybrid engines. Cons: more expensive product. Number 4. High Gear HG3270's Easy Emissions Pass and Catalytic Converter Cleaner. Another product that excels at getting you to pass an emissions test is the High Gear Easy Emissions Pass and Catalytic Converter Cleaner. Not only does it clean the catalytic converter, but it cleans everything else in the fuel system too. This helps restore lost horsepower and improve fuel efficiency, and it might be precisely what you need to get through an emissions test. Of course, it does this by cleaning carbon deposits off everything, so don't think it's going to fix an actual fault in the system though. Finally, it is a little more expensive than some of the other catalytic converter cleaners that we reviewed here, but it does a great job at cleaning everything. Pros: cleanse the entire fuel system, reduces emissions, and cleanse carbon deposits. It helps with fuel efficiency and helps restore lost horsepower. Cons: slightly more expensive product. Number 5. Seafoam SF16 Motor Treatment. No list of catalytic converter cleaners would be complete without mentioning Seafoam. But unlike what your backyard mechanic will tell you, Seafoam won't fix every problem, and we stick by assertion here that it's not even the best product on the market. Now, it is incredibly affordable, and it delivers long-lasting results, even if they're not as noticeable as dedicated catalytic converter cleaners. Seafoam has a product for both gas-diesel vehicles and a dedicated product for high-mileage vehicles. While Seafoam is exceptionally versatile, it's a bit of a one-size-fits-all problem solver. And while it does a decent job in a wide array of areas, it doesn't excel in any one application. Pros: cleanse the entire fuel system, very affordable, works for up to 2 years. Options for both gas, diesel, and high-mileage vehicles. Cons: not as effective as other cleaners. Not a dedicated catalytic converter cleaner. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.